I just got out of the shower, so my hair is pretty wet. I've had it like air drying for maybe like 15 minutes, so it is like kind of dry on the root area, but it's still very dry on the bottom. Let me put my phone in silent so we don't hear that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just do my hair. I have been wanting the Revlon one step hair dryer for like the longest time, but I was waiting for it to be like on sale or for it to be like on a lower price. I ended up winning this giveaway. It was like a $25 gift card for Walmart, so I decided to go ahead and purchase this. So I ended up getting it for about $27, like with tax and everything, which I think was super good. So yeah, I went ahead and bought this, and then I did go ahead and buy it for my birthday since it just passed, so it's a little birthday present for myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open it up. So I haven't used it, so I'm really excited about it. And basically, okay, so all that it comes in is just the actual hair dryer itself, so you don't have anything else in there. Okay, so it is pretty big. I don't know if you guys can like compare it like to my hand, or maybe like next to my face, if you can see that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a close-up so you guys can see it. So this is how it looks like. It does have the setting modes on the bottom, which you just kind of turn over. So it has off, cool, low, and high. So it is in an oval shape, and then this is a part that doesn't get hot, so you're able to like use it to twist the actual blow dryer. So I think it's really pretty. I got the color pink just because it's one of my favorite colors. So I think this is a pretty good size. I haven't used one of these ever. The only way I would ever like dry my hair is with the blow dryer and then use a comb to kind of give me like that effect of like a blowout. So I'm really excited about using this one. So let's go ahead and just read some of the claims that it states on the box. Okay, so it does have tangled free combination bristles, and then it has a professional swivel cord. It is multiple heat settings like I mentioned before. It's a lightweight design, so it's not heavy at all, to be honest. It's a unique airflow vents. It's turfeted bristles with board technology. It's an oval design, and the tip is a very cool tip. So before I start using that, I like to go in with some products. The first one that I'm gonna be using is this. So this is usually just an oil to protect from the sun. It's really good to use, especially right now where I live. It is currently like 120 outside, so I definitely want to use something that's going to be protecting my hair from the sun. I'm going to go ahead and put this right on the tips of my fingers. I'm going to go ahead and just rub that in and then just put that on my hair. And I like to focus this on the tips mostly, and then just really distribute that product all around. So I'll usually go in with another. I'll go in with a little bit more to do the other side of my hair. Same thing, gonna go ahead and just rub that in. And then I'm gonna do just the other side. And then just put that on the tip area. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna go in with a comb and then just brush my hair to make sure I don't have any tangles when I'm gonna use the hair dryer or the blow dryer. So I'm gonna go ahead and just section off my hair with these clips that I got from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I just feel like it's gonna be a little bit easier instead of trying to go straight in on my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one half first, and then I'll do the other half. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the bottom of my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just part that, and then put this on the other side. So I'm gonna put this on the low setting, and it's the first time I use it, so let's see how it turns out. So I just did this part right here, and it did give me like a little bit of wave. I think it just depends if you're going forward or if you're going kind of like back. And I was kind of alternating to see how like what would come out of it. But my hair is dry. It feels very soft, to be honest. I don't know if that's because of the oil, because of this, that it's getting brushed as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing the leftover and then see how it all looks. I did finish this part, and it is completely dry. If you see me looking over on this area here, it's because I have my mirror here so I can see like what I'm doing. But it is very soft. My hair feels really nice. It is dry, and that only took maybe like a minute, I want to say, to be honest. So it is very quickly, and it did give me like this swirly on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fast forward and then do the next part, okay? Okay, so I've done about half of my hair kind of, and it is looking really good. I'm gonna go ahead and stand up a little bit so you guys can see the ends. So the ends are dry, and they do have like a little kind of wave to it. I just feel like I need to practice a little bit more to like really get my desired wave. But so far so good. It is looking very straight, like if I straighten it with the straightener, except it has a lot more volume than when I actually use a straightener. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do the rest of my hair, and then I'll tell you guys my thoughts at the end. Okay, so I've done pretty much half of my hair for sure now. This is how it is looking. It looks very straight, that's for sure. It is dry. I feel like it's looking very healthy and like with a lot of volume. So now with this part up here, let's go ahead and bring these down. What I like to do this one right here is section off the top part of my hair. So section this area up. Go ahead and use a clip. And now we're gonna go ahead, my hair looks so crazy, but we're gonna go ahead and do this area that I just dropped, and we're gonna go ahead and blow dry them. So now for this top right here, I'm gonna go ahead and section this off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just focus on this area up here. So I did my makeup and I basically finished the rest of my hair. As you can see, it is super straight. Let me go ahead and show you guys the back area. So everything is literally super straight. I feel like I have so much volume. I did realize that when you did use, or when I did use the blow dryer, if I were to do it this way, it would give me some type of wave. If I kept going like this, it wouldn't really give me too much. I feel like I'm gonna end up doing it this way better, just to get like that really nice wave at the end. I feel like if you do have layers in your hair, this would honestly look so pretty on you. I personally really love it. I just feel like because I don't have layers, it's only the tips that are getting like kind of like wavy in a way and giving me like that blowout like type of look. But I feel like if you're someone that has layers, this would honestly look so pretty on your hair, just thinking like all the waves kind of going on. So yeah, ultimately I honestly really love this. I feel like it was a great purchase in my part, just because I don't have to spend so much time straightening my hair. This honestly took me maybe like 20 minutes to do, and I feel like that's like a really reasonable time. But ultimately I feel like this is such a great product. I don't regret buying it. I feel like I'm gonna keep using it more often, just because it does give me like so much volume and my hair just looks so nice and so healthy. So if you are second thinking on getting this product right here, honestly get it. It is so worth it. It's worth the money, to be honest. If you want to wait for the sales, definitely do that. But honestly, I really love this product, and I just love how the outcome looks. It literally looks like I straightened my hair, and I feel like it just gives it like this shine to my hair that is really pretty. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe down below to be part of my journey here on YouTube. Don't forget to hit that post notification button to be notified every time I post a new video, and I'll go ahead and see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.